Hello YouTube. I have my axe here, a small Hultafors, and it has been neglected for quite some time, and I haven't sharpened it in a long time. I don't think I have ever sharpened it when I come to think about it. So, and I have lost my sharpening stone. Can't find it. So I was thinking about trying out the Leatherman to sharpen the axe with. The Leatherman Wave. It's got a diamond file. So let's try that to sharpen the axe with. A little bit of water. Well, at least some of the rust is removed anyway. It's probably hard to see on the camera, but yeah, I can feel that it has gotten a bit sharper actually. I have an old knife also, and a very an old Mova knife. I think I'm going to try that too. See what happens. That knife has been abused for many years, and I have used it to dig off the weeds and stuff like that in the garden, in the dirt. So I'm going to try that one. So here is my Mova knife, and it's very dull. It has gotten abused for quite some time. Actually, the Leatherman seems to be worn down. I can't feel that there is anything left on this file. I think I could feel it more with my fingers before I started this. The other side is more coarse, and yeah, that's still there of course, but this side with the diamond file thing on it, I don't know. The knife seems to be getting a little bit better, but it doesn't happen that very much. See if I can cut something with it. Just gonna try some cardboard. Oh. Still feels dull actually. Let's try the axe. That's not sharp at all. I don't know, guys. The Leatherman is, yeah, of course it's better than nothing, but it seems like I have worn out the file completely, and I'm not so sure if it does that much good on the blades. So definitely not as good as a sharpening stone, but perhaps to to touch up the edge a little bit, to make the edge a little bit better, of course. It's probably enough, but not as a sharpening tool.